Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the very urgent update of Shiba token in this chapter. So in this video we discuss about the price change occurred in the last 1 hour, in the last 1 day, and the last 1 week, and why the change is positive and why the change is negative. I will also discuss in this video friends. So keep watch this video till the end friends, because this video going to be very special, going to be very important for all of you friends. Thank you so much. Before starting this interesting video, if you're new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button. When you click the subscribe button, so I'm very happy, believe me, I'm very happy. So please, that is why I'm asking you again and again that please click the subscribe button. Thank you so much. I know you subscribe my channel, that is why I'm asking you. Thank you so much friends. Anyways, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently price of this Shiba coin. In this time price of the Shiba coin as 0.00015 USD dollar friends. And if you look the price change occur, so only the last 1 hour price change is negative friends, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, and the last 1 week. The whole changes occur in the Shiba token is going positive friends. Let's see the price chart for more details what's going in this chart in the Shiba token friends. As you can see here, a biggest jump occur in the Shiba token. If you look the last today is the Shiba day friends. I check the updates of Shiba token every hour by hour, minute by minute. That the Shiba coin today I'm found the Shiba token as only and only in the jumping mood. As you can see here, the last 1 day price change is going upward, approximately 112.73% positive change occur in the Shiba token in the last 1 day, I mean in the 24 hours. And if you look the highest price of the Shiba token, so they can hit 0.00019 USD dollar easily had in the last 1 day friends, and this point friends, and now they were fast down for a little time, and I hope that after a little fast they take a again jump tonight. My prediction for all of you is that they can hit approximately 0.20 USD dollar tonight. They can hit friends, that easily they can hit 0.20 USD dollar if this kind, as you can see, if this kind of change continue in the Shiba token throughout the tonight friends. What's your prediction about Shiba token? Please also share in the comment box. And kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies. That is why I'm again asking you to please click the subscribe button for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video friends.